What is up, my veggies? My name is VeggieTales Raymond, and welcome back to Heavy Rain. Now, I wanted to go ahead and apologize real quick for three things, actually. I wanted to apologize for not getting back to this game sooner, because I have been playing more games more than this game. And I wanted to apologize for not playing this game as much as I should. And I also wanted to apologize for only one video going up yesterday. And I also wanted to apologize for this weird angle I have this video at. It's the best I could get for right now, because it kept falling. I'm going to have to fix that for the next video, but let's go ahead and get started. I don't even remember what happened in the last video. I don't even remember who we're playing as now. I don't think it's Ethan. Oh, yeah, we're, her. Forgot her name. Madison?
Dad, it's Sam. I got your information. The owner of the apartment in Marble Street is a Dr. Adrian Baker. He's a struck-off surgeon that used to sell drugs to junkies on the quad. He made some cash and bought up some cheap-ass apartments, including the one in Marble Street. Of course, he got caught. He did a few months in prison and was struck off the medical register.
Interesting. Thanks for the information, Sam. I owe you one.
Hey, Matt, be careful, okay?
I'm on it. Talk to you later.
Okay, we got some information on maybe a possible victim. Not victim, a possible suspect for the Oregon. Okay, I know I don't have the remote right now, and the sound is pretty loud right now. So I need to turn some the voices down a bit, just for a little bit, because I don't know where the remote is right now. So
The owner of the apartment.
that is still loud. I need to turn the sound effects down a little bit as well. The sound effects are down a little too much. Okay, I think that'll work. Hopefully.
Where Ethan cut off his.
Okay, that's still loud. Oh, because it didn't. Let's get it down to 75. Get that down to. Okay, that should be better.
Finger lives here.
That is still loud. Dang. Let's cut it down to 50. There, that should be better.
Not much of a lead, but it's all I've got.
Still loud, but I guess I'll just leave it there. Hello, sir.
Hi. I was told that you could get Vitropin without a prescription.
Sorry, you were misinformed. Goodbye.
Hold on.
I need your help.
I really need your help here. I can pay.
Well, why didn't you say so? Please come in.
This guy seems like a creep.
So, you're looking for Vitropin, my dear? Are you having trouble sleeping? How much do you need?
I don't know, about 3-4 boxes.
Well, no, that shouldn't be a problem. Would you like a drink? I was just about to have one.
No thanks.
No, thanks.
Well, alcohol helps take the edge off the pills, don't you think? Anyway, we should drink a toast to our first deal.
No thank you. I don't like this guy. He's weird.
I haven't seen you around here before. Who told you about me?
Oh crap.
important thing is that we're here, right?
Let's ask me about his apartment.
I heard you had some apartments for rent. I'm looking.
Sorry, darling. Those are all booked up.
Shame. I was looking for something around Marble Street.
I forgot how good this game looked.
You're not drinking?
No thanks.
I'm not really thirsty.
I'll get your prescription. Won't be a moment.
Okay. Funny thing, it's always raining in this game, and it's kind of raining outside right now. So.
Guy gives me the creeps. I
Same.
better take a look around to see if I can find anything before he gets back.
Agreed. Let's see. Can we just leave? Oh, there's a door right here. Is it the?
Maybe a quick look behind those doors. I'll make up some lies if he finds me.
Okay. Okay, let's look behind this one first. Could say we were looking for the bathroom. Okay, let's look. Can we look in his drawer? No. Come on, it's the controls. I forgot how weird they could be sometimes. What is this? Oh, that could be useful. What we got in here?
Surgical gowns? I thought he stopped performing operations. Must be some kind of a weird nostalgia for the past.
But I thought he just like gave people stuff without prescriptions. Okay, we look behind the door now. Let's leave. I really wanted to see if we can just straight up leave. I don't know. Should we leave? Well, no, I hit leave. I hit leave. Oh, I can't do it now. Oh, I can't leave now after I've already said what I was gonna do. I can't leave now. That's kind of a... Oh, what we got here? I see something... The square, I think. Am I just seeing things?
I've got the answer to your sleeping problem right here.
What the heck?
Sweet dreams, my dear.
Yep, I should have left. I should have left. Yeah, this angle that I have at the camera at is crap. But I'll make it better for next video.
Say hello to Matthew.
What the heck?
He claimed he had come to the census. Another one of those goddamn government spies. So, you're interested in my Marble Street apartment.
Wait.
I rented to my friend Parker, if you must know.
Oh, I can't do that with this controller. I gotta use a wireless. Oh my goodness, I can't use this controller. You gotta give me a second. Give me this 1 second, guys. No, we can turn off controller. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to switch out my controllers because I couldn't do like the motion controls with that controller. So I had to hook up my other controller. It was dead, so I couldn't just picked it up and used it. And also I fixed the angles a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get back into the game. I kind of got to be a little far from the camera because I have a really short charger for this controller, so I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear me, but I'll try my best. Come on.
I have no idea what he does there.
Come on.
Maybe that's what he fornicates with his dancers.
Okay, this is gonna be hard to do the motion control.
To be honest, I don't give a damn. Just as long as he pays his rent, he can do whatever he likes. But enough with the chit-chat. I miss surgery, you see, so I took every opportunity to practice. I don't have any instruments here, so I use whatever comes to hand.
Come on. Sorry guys, my controller came unplugged. Come on.
Hold on. Just like stay over there.
Get away from me. Get away from me. Pal. Get away from me, pal. Pal. You don't want to do this. Look at her head.
Have you ever noticed? As soon as you start to do a little housework, someone always comes calling.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm
I'll
safe.
get rid of our visitor and be right back. Don't move. I won't be long.
Come on, we can get free. Gotta get our way out of these ropes. Come on. Oh, are we out of one of them? Wait, I can't do anything. Stupid control gets caught
Hello,
unplugged.
sir. I've come to bring you the word of the Lord in the form of these magnificent
Sorry,
apples,
guys.
which I will gladly leave with you in return for a contribution of only $5.
Come on.
No, thanks, I'm not interested.
Come now, brother. I cannot believe the word of the Lord
Come on,
is of
come
no
on.
interest to you. We, his humble flock, should walk in his steps.
You think he
St.
cares
John
what he's doing to
has
me?
said.
Yeah,
Thanks a
he
lot.
doesn't care.
I don't need it.
He does not read the Bible in these times of violence and hatred. Holy Scripture will bring you peace.
He doesn't care,
Anytime
dude.
you need it.
Come
Also,
on.
$5.
There we go. Come on, you got this. Circle, not a square. Circle, a square, not a circle. Oh, I keep pressing circle. I'm pressing circle. There we go. Come on, cut it, come on. There we go, we're free. You are a psychopath. Dude, you are crazy, man. Dude, I'm sorry, but you're not doing this. I'm sorry, I'm getting free, I'm getting out of here. Oh crap. Oh Jesus. Oh crap. Circle. Oh crap. Sweet Celestia. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah, take that, man. Oh, this is a load of bull. Let me go. Ooh, dude. That had to hurt. Yeah, get off me, you old man. That's hilarious. The way she just hit him with the shovel. Your voice is super creepy. This man is crazy. You're crazy, dude. Dude, you're crazy. Dude, leave me alone. Oh crap, I'm gonna die. Thank goodness I didn't die. Check that. Man, this guy's still going out with all these cuts on him. I don't think I'd be able to still keep going. Come on, don't be dead. Yeah, you're weirdo, that's disgusting. You are such a weirdo. There you go. You should be smarter, man. You gotta be a little more smarter when you're doing stupid things. don't mess with me. You don't mess with me, man. You don't mess with me. Or you get a drill to the shoulder. Wow, that was pronounced wrong. So I could have prevented all that, couldn't I? If I just left. Okay, now are you. What we doing now? What we got to do for you, buddy? Where we at? Junkyard, looks like. Alright. Okay, let's get out. Let's do some investigation. I can't even see where I am. Alright, hey buddy, can we have a few words?
Can you stop that thing? Norman Jaden, FBI. Can we talk for a minute?
I'm listening.
Can we go inside?
Okay. Hopefully this guy... Wait, why are we talking to this guy? Oh yeah, isn't it something about the car, I think?
I'm looking for the owner of a blue Chevrolet Malibu 83. I don't give a damn how the car got here, or whether you stole it or not. I just want to know who bought it from you.
Sorry, man. Don't ring a bell. I got a real bad memory for names.
You seem
Perhaps
like
I
a
can
really
help you
bad
with it.
liar.
If we find out that you sold the car to the man we're looking for, you're looking at some pretty solid time inside, Jackie boy.
You trying to scare me with your big talk? I never saw your damn car. Now take a walk.
Bull crap. We're probably gonna do some investigating. Let's see what you got here. I forgot how to do that. Do it like this. It's not telling me on the screen how to do it. Yeah, oh yeah, it is. What was I talking about? Right up there. I was looking at his hand for some reason. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's start with the entrance first. There's some stuff there. Oh, there's some stuff there. There's some stuff here. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. There's a lot. And I doubt there's anything out here. So let's go ahead and start by looking at this over here.
Not much chance of analyzing anything to this man. Might stand a better chance of finding something in the garage.
Well, just to be safe, I'm going to check everything. This looks like the same thing. Yep, same thing. But I think the best thing to do is to check everything. Make sure there's nothing I'm forgetting. I did that. Did that. Okay. Okay. What about this? Same thing, I'm guessing. Yep. Okay, now let's go to the garage.
Size 13. Must be Mad Jack's size.
Okay. What about this? Tire tracks on the inside, maybe something.
Not the car I'm looking for.
Oh. Never mind then. Okay, what about this?
Blood. Now why is there blood here?
That could be a clue. Okay, looks like there's maybe some more blood right over here.
The blood tracks lead to the acid bath.
Wow. That's peculiar. Oh, I just analyzed that, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I did. I'm pretty sure that's what I just analyzed. Okay, what about what's on here?
Fingerprints. Probably Mad Jack's.
Oh, okay. Never mind. This is probably mine right here, I'm guessing, or not.
Size 10. Most likely a visitor.
Okay, something over here. It seems it's a car, or more car tracks.
Not the right car either.
Dude, you're killing me here. What about this? Is it? I just doubt it, but let's look. Yep, not it.
Same brand of tire as the car I'm looking for.
Oh.
Has the killer's car been here?
Oh. Did find something. Ooh, what do we have here? Orchid?
Very common. Traces of orchid pollen in the air inside the garage.
Well, what do we have? What's over here? Somebody's table. Oh, it says the table with his tools. And already looked at these though, didn't we? Well, we didn't look at these ones, but we can pretty much say that they're his tools and his fingerprints on them. So makes a lot of sense if you ask me. Okay. What else do we need to find? Okay, time to do some more investigating. Alright, nothing so far. What do we have here?
2 traces of blue paint. Same tire tracks. No doubt about it. Killer's car was here.
The orchid stuff leads back more this way. Kind of like change the angle maybe. What about right here? What about this stuff? Can you give that a scan? Yes, you can. Just more fingerprints, it looks like. Okay, so what do we need to do now? Go talk to that freaking Jack dude? Seems that we got everything here.
Feeling sick. Got the sweats. Hands are shaking. Hope this works out alright. Not much help, this so-called Mad Jack. He's either clean as a whistle, or else he's got something to hide.
Seems like he's hiding something in my opinion.
Trooper chips came. Got it in my pocket.
Damn!
Oh,
You
dang.
got me, officer. I'll come clean. Now that car, she buff up real good. I painted her dangerous blue in honor of the dangerous motherfucker that was driving her. Hands on your head, pig.
Okay, okay, man.
I'm playing around with you.
Hey,
Let's just
dude,
get
I'm
you out
good.
of sight and finish you off.
Are we gonna attack him? There we go. Come on, you. Whoa. This guy's tough. This guy is tough. Circle. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is like 2 fights in a row. Come on, man. You ain't gotta fight. It's just you ain't in trouble. Just need to or I don't think you're in trouble. Ow. Take that. Boom.
Enough fucking around. Now you're gonna tell me about the man with the blue car.
Yes, you are.
Go fuck yourself in the ass.
Really, dude?
I've no time to lose, Jack. I want to know who that car belongs to.
Immediately, tell me.
Don't mean shit to me. I ain't no snitch. You better just lock me up now, boy. Damn! You out of your motherfucking mind, man?
Then how about you tell me?
Ain't nothing to it, just a little bit of self-defense. Page 1 of the police manual. Kill or be killed.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop, enough. I'm starting to remember some things.
Alright, let's see what you know.
I'll tell you the tale. Well, I don't know nothing about the guy. He wanted me to get rid of his dirty car. Get him a new one with false plates. He paid cash, and I ain't the question inclined.
Okay.
And I was supposed to drop a word to a guy named Paco down at the Blue Lagoon when the car was done.
Hey, Blue Lagoon, that's the
We'll
thing
continue
what the
this
card
discussion down at the
said that
station. You're under
Madison
arrest.
found.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything... Shit, not now. Anything you say can and will be...
Hey,
You look like you got a problem, man.
Dude, seriously?
what? They letting you dope heads in the FBI now? God bless America.
Wow. Dude, calm down,
I'm gonna
man.
give you a little help with your drug problem, Mr. 5-0. Permanently.
Did he kill me? Did he kill me? I thought he killed me. Oh crap. Could I have prevented this? I don't think so. Like that's gonna do anything. Stop doing that. Stop doing that. It's not gonna help. Oh. Wait. There we go. Come on, shake, shake. Come on. Come on. Come on, dude. What can I do? What was this? Come on. Come on. Come on. What now? What now? Come on, don't die, man. What are we doing? Come on, pal. Did I just die? Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is a game when your character dies, he's dead. There's no going back unless you restart the game. There we go. Where'd he go? No, I hit circle. I hit circle. Come on. Come on, we got this. Come on, we got this. We got this. Come on, don't die, dude.
Come on.
I want to keep everyone alive. Dang, man. Ooh. This guy's strong, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, come on. Got that time. Got that time. Oh, come on, don't mess up. So we already had one psychopath laughing, now we got you. I better not die. I better not die. Oh crap, this is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Come on, this is bad. Come on. We can stop this, we can stop this. Oh crap. No, stop, no, okay, we're good. We are good, we got this in the bag, Okay, they punched me, we're gonna get ran over. Oh, dude. Oh, oh my goodness. Well, isn't there a way to arrest him instead of that happening? That was not intentional. I didn't want to have to kill anyone, have anyone get killed. Oh crap! Because I remember playing with this before. There's a way you can just arrest the guy. I think it's because I missed so many QuickTime events. That's what I'm guessing. So yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna play for this video. Yeah, that's all I'm going to play for this video. Pause. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please tap the like button down below. Subscribe, leave me a comment, and link to my Twitter, Instagram, DeviantArt, and Tumblr will all be linked down in the description below. And do not forget to hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I upload videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!